Minutes from here. Yeah. I'm thinking I thought it would be more.
I put a spell on you. And now, you're mine. You can't stop the things I do. I lie.
Open your mouth.
My brand new recipe book, Baked in One, is officially out now, so I thought I'd make one of my favourite recipes from it. The no-bake chocolate lasagna. Don't worry, there's no meat or pasta involved. I haven't gone completely crazy yet. There's 100 easy-to-follow dessert recipes. There's also loads of tips to help you become a more confident and creative baker. I just want to say thank you to every single one of you because this wouldn't have been possible without you all. Get it now at most major booksellers. Enjoy!
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, kind I'd like to meet. Pretty woman, I don't believe you, you're not the truth.
To make those rainbows in my mind. When I think of you sometime, I wanna spend some time. Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
Nothing like I've ever seen. It's just a thing of beauty.